Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay. Y'all know I got silver edges, right? And I've been using all kind of stuff. It's about to storm out there. I hear thundering. I usually have to dye my edges every maybe 6 or 8 weeks or so. Wait, this hair is getting in my mouth. Okay. Can't stand that. I have to dye my hair, just the edges. The back is look like a skunk. I dye my edges every 6 to 8 weeks, just the edges, cause I wear wigs or half wigs, and I can't have all this silver, and I got all this dark hair on. It look cray cray. I either buy a dark edge control, and they don't smell too good to me, so I don't really like them that much. They do the job. Or I buy one of these crayon sticks to touch up the edges. Looks like a lipstick. But I found something better. My daughter, she told me what she was doing. She said, Cheryl, she told me what she was doing. She'll take a chunky, I think it was an eye shadow stick in the color, she uses black, in the color black, and she'll take out a little bit of gel, put it in a container, and break off part of that chunky eyeshadow stick and smush it up with the back of a plastic spoon into the gel. And she made her own dark edge control. So this is what I ordered, y'all. I ordered the brow pomade. I got it in dark brown, because black would be too harsh for me. This is what it looks like. It's by LA Girl Brow Pomade. That's how much I used. I scooped some of this out into this container that I got from Dollar Tree. These came in a pack of, I think it was 8 or 10 little plastic container. They also had these in the round containers. I scooped out some Eco Styler gel. Scooped out some of this with Q-tips and made my own dark edge control. And it works. Customized for my color. I would say this is like a 1B. And it smells good. It smells just like the Eco Styler gel. So, I've also ordered a black, what you call it, one of these. I'm going to play with mixing the colors. Right now, this works for me. So I'll show you how I make it in another video. But it works, y'all. You don't need the whole thing. Just scoop out a little bit. Y'all can see I just used a little. This was brand new. I used that much. I used this much gel and stirred it around with the Q-tip. And it came out like this. And it works. Use a little. Just like it's gel. And all these edges were, well, most of the edges were silver. I don't say gray. I ain't got no gray hair. I got silver hair. And it works nicely. I say it works better than the other stuff you can buy on the market already. And it don't do a lot of staining to the fingers. It just stains what it's supposed to stain. The silver hair. And it works. So, well, thank you for watching. I just want to leave this tip for you all that are tired of buying all this different stuff to cover up these edges. I'm sick of dyeing my edges and all that. So now I ain't got to. Now, I wouldn't say put this on your whole head because it wouldn't be cost effective. It's crazy. Might as well just don't dye your hair. But I just concerned about my edges. So it works for me. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bye.